This is Rhonda of virtueworksforyou.com, helping stay-at-home moms and women entrepreneurs grow businesses online with visual content marketing on hectic schedules with ease. And today's video is how to add hashtags to your YouTube videos. Now, YouTube has been allowing for a while now content creators to add hashtags to their videos to help people on YouTube find popular topics and to boost SEO so that people can find videos on various topics in every niche or any niche that they want to. So the purpose of hashtags is to help you find popular topics that you may be looking for and to boost your SEO. And so I'm going to show you right quick how to add hashtags to your videos. So you can come to your YouTube channel homepage as I am here. Go to the menu where it says videos. Click on the particular video that you want to add hashtags to. I'm going to click on this video. So here I am at this video and I'm going to pause that. Now, as you can see, above my title on this video is my hashtags. Now, you must make sure that your hashtags are relevant to your content and to your channel. So, my videos are about visual content marketing. So I use visual content marketing a lot. And I also use my unique channel hashtag. Okay. And so that is one thing. You must make sure that your hashtags are relevant to your content and to your channel. So you could just go to edit video, where under the video, the blue box under the video that says edit videos, and you'll be led to your YouTube studio, which is like the back office of your YouTube channel. Okay, and so your video details are going to pop up. And here's my video details coming up. Okay, and so you should already have all your title and your information in a description of what your video is about, and all your links, your website links, social media links, and other links you may want your audience to follow. And so in the description box, you scroll all the way down to the bottom as I'm doing here. And oops, I went down too far. Okay, I'm scrolling up to, okay, so here you are. We're back at the description box. I scrolled down too far. And you want to place your links, your hashtags at the very bottom as you see here at after all your information. Okay. And when you place them at the bottom, as you saw early in the video, they'll show up at the top of your, above your, let's say above your video title. And you will see it that way on desktop and mobile. Now be sure to save when you add the hashtag, save your video again, save the changes, okay? And so that is it on how to add hashtags to your videos. It is very easy to do. And if you have any questions, please drop them below. Thumbs this up, share this out, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell symbol for alerts. And I will be seeing you all again soon with another video. Thanks for watching.